Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this video, we are going to take a look how we can install and set up Anaconda. Let's first go to the anaconda.com download page. So first download for Mac, Anaconda installer, okay? So if you got Windows or Linux, you can download from for Windows or Linux version. There's also the Miniconda installer. So, but I'm going to choose Anaconda because I'm going to run Pytorch based on that. So I really need that. So just click once you download package, click the installer, and just click continue there. Okay, so read me, there's a lot of packages in there. So for Anaconda, so just accept the license. You probably want to read it if you would like to, and install for all users of this computer. So the installation process you saw there is for the Mac, because I'm using Mac. So the installation is actually a bit longer than you see here. I just cut the process a bit. It will just run for a few minutes until it's complete, and probably gonna be different if you install it on Linux or Windows, but quite similar process. Okay, so it will actually run for about 5 or 6, 7 minutes until the installation finish. So it always says install time remaining less than a minute, so don't rush on that. So just wait until it's finished. Okay. Wow. All right. So it's good, and coding cloud. So I don't want to use it. I'm just going to click continue. Okay. And just hit close. Okay, so that's the whole installation for Anaconda. All right, so the next step is once we open the Anaconda navigator, okay, we will see first home. Okay, there's a lot of installed, and then we got the environment. That's what we're gonna do next. And there's the learning with documentations and trainings. So you can take a look, and the community. Okay, so we're gonna go back to an environment and create a new environment for our Pytorch. Okay, so that's why we name Pytorch environment. So that's a virtual environment for Pytorch. I'm going to choose Python version there, and click to set up a creative virtual environment for Pytorch. Okay. So once it's finished, I'm actually going to go through the uninstall package. All right, so not installed, and search for Pytorch. All right, so and select the Pytorch there. Okay, and apply. So it's just going to install the packages. Relevant packages. So just click apply. You're gonna install that. So it should be done fairly quickly. So once it's done, I'm going to set up this with VScode, because I'm using VScode instead of the other code editing tool. So when I open the Visual Studio Code, okay, so I need to choose Pytorch environment. Okay, there's a bit troubleshooting there, which I didn't put in the video, is because I need to set up the path properly. So if you don't know that, you can just always Google or ask ChatGPT. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new file. Click the wrong place there. So I'm going to create a new file to verify if everything is okay. All right. So after I set up, I'm just going to use test Pytorch, create a test Pytorch Python file, and just import Torch and print the Torch version and check if CUDA is available there. Okay, so it should be false because I'm using Mac and that's the NVIDIA thing, right? So it should come with false. So, but I'm going to check it anyway. All right, just to check, and there's the torch version, right? So after that, after I got the false response, the next step I'm probably gonna do is, okay, we got the false response, but I probably click something. I'm going to run this again. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to look at alternative for the CODA. Okay. That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.